Okay guys, let's break this down. Stand a few steps away from one another, facing each other, and when you're ready, start walking towards each other. As you approach, the man prepares to take lady's arm and slide towards the hand. Then he gently pulls, bringing her back and turning her once under the arm into close hold, and a nice dip. Recover to vertical position and prepare to waltz. We're going to do natural turns first, turning to right. Man prepares his right foot to step forward and lady left foot to step back. Step, side, together, step, side, together, step, side, together. Changing to reverse turn, turning left, man prepares to step forward on left and lady back on right foot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now prepare to turn lady anti-clockwise as you continue your steps, releasing the hold on the right hand and changing to two-hand hold. In this position, prepare to step to the same side together, keeping the closest hands connected and opening the opposite side as you step through. And step, step, close, step, side, close. Next, we're going to turn away from each other as we do the same steps. Stop and grab each other's hands as you prepare to waltz side to side. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Continue holding both hands together as man lifts his left arm, turning lady anti-clockwise and approach into basket. Then holding each other nice and strong, dip to the side and back again. Well done guys, hope this was helpful and see you in the next video with more wedding dance ideas.